A few people ask me in the last few weeks, how do you strengthen your grip in martial art? How do you strengthen your upper body? There is the typical way of lifting weights, push-ups, and all this and that. But there is another method which was trained by the Taoist priests or monks, and it's a little bit of a different theory than the typical strengthening the upper body. And what it is, the idea is that instead of building up the muscle, you build up the focus, the strength of the mind, focusing in the muscle, and bringing the muscle to a higher potential or higher level of performance. I don't know if you all know it, but we use about 42% of the muscle capability. If we would have used 100%, we would probably be able to lift cars, which I've seen once or twice done with people that were charged by adrenaline. So our muscle is capable to a lot more. And the Taoist priests and monks, or the Kung Fu people, believed that instead of only training the muscles doing resistance, one should also train the mind to focus in the muscle while the muscle is going through action. And what happened is Damo, the priest, designed a whole set of muscle changing, tendon changing, of squeezing and releasing, and while doing that, focusing on the squeeze or on the muscles that are tense. I modified it, and instead of doing 50 of each 50 times, which can take 2.5 hours, we only do a little bit. So today I'll show you 3 of each, 4 sets of what I call squeeze the orange. And what we do is we hold the hands in different positions and squeeze the muscles, and while squeezing the muscle, putting the mind in the muscle that is squeezing. You don't have to squeeze hard. All you have to do is focus with the mind in the muscles that you're using for the squeeze. At the same time that you use to squeeze the orange with your upper body, I utilize this time and I sync with my legs. So I also tense the leg muscles, I tense the abdominal muscles, and that way I get the whole body to become stronger. But my main focus, my mind, focuses on the muscle that I'm using to squeeze the orange. So imagine you have 2 oranges in your hands. In the first set, you put the hands beside your body. You inhale, you relax your entire body. And as you exhale from the mouth, you squeeze. And then you inhale, relax. And exhale. Open your eyes and squeeze. Put your mind in the muscles. Then you change. Of course, I only do 2. You should build up until you can do 10 or 15 of each. Second set, I put my hand sideways. Inhale, relax. Exhale, squeeze. In, relax. Third set. Fourth. So I only did 2 of each, 4 sets. I encourage you to start with 2 and build up to 15 to 20 each. Not only that, when you exhale, I put my mind in the muscles. When I inhale, I close my eyes and I put my mind in the bones. So all the energy that I build in the muscle is led into the bone and nourishes my bones.